Hi everyone, let's install latest version of Eclipse. Just search for Eclipse, download. Click this link. Okay, scroll down. Directly from here, we have installer for a 64-bit download package. Click download. And don't worry about Java, it directly includes Java. Click download. You see, my installer is downloading right now. We just have to wait. Now my installer is downloaded. Just click this folder and double click on it. Run. For Java developers, click this one. For C++, click this one. For PHP developers, click this one. I click for Java developer. Install. Accept now. You see here, shows the version of Java also. Now it's installed, just click launch. Here it shows the space that your project will save. You can change it, but I let it as it is. Now it's ready to use. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.